Good morning, everyone. I thought that I would make another video before Easter because I've been making Easter stuff for 2 months and it's going to be Easter in a couple days and I haven't made the videos of it. So today I have two things, one image company. So my images are from Modernistic Print Shop on Etsy, and I'll put her link down below so that you can jump over and see what she's got going on. And I'm not even done with it, but I said I better make a video before I forget. So this is the bunny. I don't even know the name of it. I should have looked that up. But it's from Modernistic Print Shop, and it's the bunny or Easter. And I'll put the link of the name of it and the actual page down below since I don't know the name of it, so that you can go right to it or go to their page. But this is the Easter Bunny junk journal images that you can download. But I didn't use all of them, and I didn't use a lot of the pockets and ephemera and everything she has. So, and then also I have, you will see, she had made bookmarks, and I folded it in half, and then Anna Griffin, here's the bookmarks, so I just folded it in half and they're on both sides, and that goes with this collection. And I used Anna Griffin's new bookmark dies, and they're called bookmark dies, and they're Anna Griffin, and I'll show you them throughout this as well. So I'm sorry I wasn't totally prepared. I just realized that it's getting close to Easter and I haven't shared. I have been crafting and crafting and just haven't made videos. This is so beautiful that I just wanted this. I haven't added my lace to it yet, or a lot of stuff, but I have 90% done. So here is, and also this right here is her rabbit, little rabbit images that you can buy, just the images of rabbits. So here you go. This I cut too short, so I said, wait a minute, we can still just put it in right here. And this one I cut too short, and I said, I'm not going to waste that. It might be called Blue Bunny or Blue Easter. I just don't remember. And I just stuck that there. I said, why? And so, and this will be some more throughout these. And this is from Modernistic, but from another collection. And you can see where I'm done that I didn't like how this printed, because my printer's giving me problems. So there's two different colors there, and I'm going to put lace there to hide that, because you know, you can hide so many mistakes with other paper or lace. So let's just walk through it real fast so you can see it, because I think I've talked too much already. So here is some of her tags that comes with it, and then here is and this is one of her tuck spots, corner tuck spots she's made. So this comes in the other collection of the bunnies. Sorry, I don't remember the name, but I'll also link this. This is one of Anna's bookmarks, and to make it work, it's got glue everywhere. To make it work better, I doubled the paper so it's thicker, because it is paper. So that's one of the bookmarks, and you can put it this way or that way, and I thought that was really pretty. And let's put it right there. There's another one of her images. It's beautiful. It is just so pretty. And so here is some more of her tags. And here's one of her little corner pockets that comes with the kit. And this is from the other collection, the bunny collection. And here is a beautiful tag. But this is so pretty. I should have put blue on the back of that. I think I will. And look at this. See, here's her tags. And another, well, this is her tag. This is a corner pocket. And here's some of the eggs. And this came from her second collection. So it just matched so well that I grabbed that. But I was gifted these from Modernista, and I'm like, whoa, that is so beautiful. I've got to use it. It's not too late, and it doesn't have to be Easter. So this is where I hide my hinge. It's inside here. If you would look, you can see where it's tied together, but all I did was take copy paper, you know, just regular paper, and I glued the sides up and did a corner rounder, or round punch, half of a round punch. And then here is, what is this? This is just a, she has an envelope to make with this, and so this is the insert to the envelope, and I thought that it fit right here nicely. But this is very spring. It doesn't have to be Easter, even though her title does have the word Easter in it. This could be like a new baby's junk journal that you would want to journal in because of babies, you know, and rabbits. Look at this little card tag she had, and these match. I think I used different dye on these, but that's okay. And I got blue to match the blues in this. And here we go with another corner pocket that comes with the kit. This tag comes with the kit, and this one is the secondary kit. I can stick this right here now that I know. I'll gift that or save it for myself. I'm not sure who I'm going to give this to. Let's see. And another corner, and more tags, and another little girl. Aren't they just beautiful? I mean, wow. It was very fun making this because it was just fun to play with. She gives you, I already made a walkthrough video of these images a few videos back, but she gives you background papers and background papers, so it's really nice that everything coordinates really nicely. Another background paper. Here's another pocket, corner pocket that came with it. Look at that little tiny one. The tags are just beautiful. And then this, I mean, doesn't that say Easter? So that's why I grabbed it. I think this one came with the kit, if I'm not mistaken, the little tiny baby one. So this right here is, I think, one of these. Yes, this is one of, this is what the size was of the bookmark, but then because I have those new dies, I cut it down. And another thing is, I don't like how it ended right here, so see, I was going to put lace right here to hide that. And this is where I cut this too small, and so I said, whoa, 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 we'll just stick it there because you can journal on it, and put that right here. So I still need to do a little bit, but I wanted to show you how beautiful and how cute this is. So there you go, guys. I hope you like it, and I will definitely give the links, and I'm sorry that I wasn't more informed. I just grabbed this and said, oh, I need to do this real fast. I have no one in my studio right now, so I'm able to make videos. A lot of times we've got a lot of building going on and a lot of remodeling, and a grandson or a daughter here or a husband here, which I would rather have them here, but you know, I'm happy crafting too. It's just what I like to do. Have a blessed day, everybody, and happy Easter.